Now in this video, let's take a look how to install Portainer in Docker. So we're going to be using this repo of Everdramus, Docker Portainer. So in our server, let's go up and let's create a new directory for Portainer. And let's copy this repo of Portainer. Git clone Portainer repo base dot enter. So we got our M file and Docker compose YAML as always. So let's create a .m file and edit it. So just like the documentation says, let's edit this thing. In our case, it's going to be data. Choose a admin password here. Also specify the domain. In my case, from Freenom, I have added this domain. Also, main domain is, in this case, the same one. My mail. And the rest stays the same. We save and quit. And that's pretty much it. So just like the Nginx web proxy, let's execute this script. So now let's check our domain. First of all, we need to wait for several minutes until Let's Encrypt recognizes our domain. So we reload the page and it's working now with HTTPS. Looks like this Portainer needs lots of resources, so maybe we're going to try it later with a $20 per month VPS server. We authenticate with the credentials we specify in the .m file. If you see that there is no environment, we need to reload. We log out and log in again. And this time, in this case, we can choose Docker and connect. And now we can see all of our containers running. So here we can see that all of our containers are running. We can explore. We got 5 stacks, 9 images. Because we got custom bachelor, our custom WordPress, the Nginx web proxy, this Portainer, our simple web page, and the official WordPress image from Docker. So we can see still that we have our official Apache WordPress, then the custom WordPress also working, and our simple web page. In the next videos, we're going to check out other stuff such as Laravel Deployment and other interesting stuff. Also security in our server.